I heard about them on the internet and I did a little bit of research and I seen a lot of good reviews, so I decided to give them a try and it was the best decision ever. Explained what my needs were in terms of sizing and all my requirements, and after that I was put in contact with one of their staff and they sent me preliminary drawing. After the drawing came back, we had to tweak it a little bit, make a few little changes here and there. Multiple doors at different heights because I bring my RV into the garage, so I need to be able to have a little bit taller door and wider door for the RV. And they were able to customize everything based on my requirements, and it was like they were able to totally adapt it to exactly what I wanted. I love the fact that when I got this building, the metal, everything was already painted. It was very, very good, clean, like presentable. And the way it is right now is the way I got it. I didn't have to paint it, I didn't have to prime it, I didn't have to do anything. It was just put it up and it's done. To be honest, the entire building went up probably within a week and a half. It's basically like a puzzle. You're just putting the puzzle together. The instructions are solid. It's anybody, as long as you know how to read, you can figure it out and you put it together, and before you know it, everything's all up and you're like, you don't even realize, you can't imagine that it went up so seamlessly. And they delivered to me sooner than that date that I had in my mind, and everything was perfect. I have no complaints from that aspect. I've had this building up now for 4 years. Anybody was to come to look at it, it looks like it was installed yesterday. It's very, very durable. Everything is good, solid. It's gone through some serious windstorms and snowstorms, and it's still as if I just got it, and it's still very, very rugged, and I would basically recommend it to anybody.